My name is Teacher Michelle, and I'm from the Philippines. I have a bachelor degree in physical education and 140-hour training of TESOL and TEYL. I taught English offline for almost 11 years and nearly 3 years online. I really like to tailor fit my teaching approach based on each student's learning style and type of personality, because that way it makes me a good teacher. I also love to play with my students. I like singing with them, la 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 la, playing with them with my realities and toys. Especially, I love to make voices with my puppets.
Hello, I'm Grandma. How are you?
It's really fun to teach. I really like seeing my students improve. See you!